In a world built on shadows, lines begin to blur. Humans feed machines a symbiotic spur. In depths of this illusion, a dance that never tires. Reality a prison, where truth is veiled by wires. Their minds entrapped in slumber in a world that feels so real. The matrix spins the stories, their senses to conceal. Yet deep within the silence, a whisper calls their name to awaken from the dreamscape and reclaim their hidden flame. Chosen by the prophecy, the one shall rise and lead through the trials of existence, where the architect decrees a path foretold by oracle, who whispers in the night, guiding the hand of destiny in shadows cast by light. In the clash of titans raging, where light and dark collide, the struggle leads to balance in the source where they reside. Through the chaos of their battle, a harmony is found in the union of opposites where destiny is bound.